Hi, and a very warm welcome to our Relax and Reset class. My name is Gaia, and today we are combining some somatics and yin yoga in a very short, very accessible class that you can do at any time in your day when you feel like you need a bit of a break, reset your mind, clear your thoughts, and just rejuvenate your body as well. You can easily memorize this sequence and do it on your own, or come here and do it with me on video. You also don't need any props or any special clothes. I often do this in my daily clothes as well, so that it really is available at any point when you feel like you need this sort of a break. And we'll begin lying down on our stomachs. So just make your way onto your stomach. Bend at the elbows and create a little shelf for your forehead with your hands. And just settle here. Feel yourself sink into your mat. Make sure that the shoulders are relaxed. Feel your hip bones sinking deeper and deeper. You can keep your feet at around hip distance apart, but it isn't necessary at this point. I just find that that tends to work best. So first, let's take a nice long inhale in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now let's take another breath just like that, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. Now just reposition yourself if you feel like you need it. And we're going to start with some hip rocking. We're just going to gently bring our hips over to the right and then to the left. Just sloshing the hips to the right and to the left. And as you get a hold of this mechanics, you can speed it up, going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Really just relaxing through your entire body. This is a very lazy movement, very fluid, very loose. Your thighs may spin a bit as you do this. The skin on your low back sliding around. You're really just sloshing your hips as loosely as you can. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And we'll just keep doing this for a while longer. You can include some deep inhales and exhales if that feels nice. And just feel yourself sinking into your mat as you do this movement. And whenever you're ready, you can bring the movement to a pause. Just stay here and notice your body. Notice the weight of it against the floor, against the mat. Notice the beautiful relaxation that has already taken place. And now for the next one, you do want to place your feet at hip distance apart. Your heels are towards the ceiling. Again, take a moment to settle. You can also switch your hands if that feels nice, so that the other one is now on top. We're just going to bring our heels, both of the heels, over to the right. And now let's bring them both over to the left. And again, over to the right, over to the left. And now let's try speeding it up. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And you might notice as you do this movement that your whole leg is spinning, your hips are also shifting. Again, we are doing this very relaxed, very loose, very lazily, just shifting our heels from side to side. It's similar to what we did before, but slightly different because now it originates not from our hips, but from our feet. Just keep rocking those heels, noticing your legs spiraling, your thighs spiraling. You can add a few deep inhales and exhales. You can even sigh or moan if that feels nice. If any sounds want to come out, just let them come out. And we'll do this for another 10 seconds or so. And when you're ready, just bring the movement to a pause. Take a nice deep inhale in through the nose. And exhale either through the nose or through the mouth. Take another breath just like that in your own time. And now gently place your palms under the shoulders. You can tuck the toes and lift up and push back into a closed-legged child's pose. Just folding over your legs, bringing the forehead to the mat. Make sure to deep breathe into your back space. And we'll stay here for a few minutes, nourishing ourselves beautifully, giving ourselves calmness as well.
And gently begin to deepen your breath. And then roll yourself back up with the help of your hands.
Coming into kneeling. Take another deep inhale in here. And a nice long exhale. Now, if you want to, you can close the practice here, as I often do as well. Or you can follow me into Shavasana, because sometimes we just need those extra few moments, even in such a short practice. So if you're doing Shavasana, just make your way onto your back. Extend the legs long, let the feet flop out to the sides. And bring your arms to the sides as well, with the palms facing up. Make sure that the back of your neck is nice and long. And then just settle against your mat. This can be such a beautiful way to restore our energy. So really enjoy this lovely moment of surrender, of rejuvenation, and just breathe nice and deep for a few more minutes. With love and kindness, begin to return your awareness back into the room you're in, back into your body, wiggling your fingers and toes. You can also take a nice deep stretch if that feels good to you. And then roll onto one side. Maybe staying here for a breath before using your arms to press yourself back up into a seat. I want to thank you so much for taking this time today on the mat. Again, you can do this at any point. You can learn and do it on your own. It's just such a beautiful tool, and I hope that you feel amazing afterwards. So, really, thank you so much. And if you want to, we can do our usual ending by placing our palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra and tapping into gratitude. Just see what you can be grateful for today in your life, in your day, and just find a few things, linger on them just for a little bit, expressing how much you appreciate them, how grateful you are to have them in your life. And with a smile on your face, bow forward. Thank you.